get to Jersey today.
Interstate 95 south of Washington, many remain stuck as work to free them. A 40-mile stretch of the highway in their cars on Tuesday afternoon without food or water as rescuers.
Okay, well here's a very brief look of the neighborhood. It's like really white all over. As you can see, the snow is super duper heavy and everything is super weighed down.
On Tuesday, Virginia officials said the storm turned to sleet that turned to snow, which fell at a rate of 2, quickly overwhelmed their efforts to keep the highway clear. Rain inches an hour for 4 to 5 hours, according to Marcy Park.
Back to Richmond from Charlotte. My trip to Huntsville.